Leapmotor plans to introduce the A10 model in the SUV segment. The positioning of the A10 places it below the B10 SUV. To play a complementary role against the A10, there will be a hatchback that seems to wear the A05 badge. By applying both the A10 and the A05, Leapmotor is expanding the range while securing increased presence in the growing electric vehicle market. The company wants to achieve coverage in the electric vehicle market. Official images have been released for the A10. They came out prior to the world premiere at the Guangzhou Auto Show. From the images, one can get a sneak peek at the design philosophy of the A10. The images further offer a look at the market intentions of the A10. The A10 follows the design language, and this design language has been applied across Leapmotor's models. The A10 comes with surfaces and rounded lines that give a friendly appearance. A wraparound greenhouse is fitted on the A10. The style of the wraparound greenhouse reflects Citroën cars. Lower side panels are integrated into the A10. The A10 is fitted with LED clusters fitted with housings. The A10 gives a clean feel. The SUV comes in two colors, seaweed green and acorn brown. 5-spoke alloy wheels are fitted on the A10. A balance of look and feel is blended into the design of the A10. Official dimensions have not been released yet. Based on observation, an estimated length of 4,200 to 4,300 millimeters has been suggested for the A10, making it fall into the small SUV category. Advanced technologies underline the A10. Integrated into the A10 is a LiDAR unit attached to the roof and several sensors along the profile of the vehicle. A LiDAR unit and sensors provide a full suite of driver assistance systems. Safety and intelligent driving underlines such features. What is more, these features point to the trend in the EV industry, where automation and connectivity are of growing importance. Interior design will probably be similar to the approach used in Leapmotor vehicles. A large infotainment screen dominates at the dashboard. Clean lines and seats to accommodate up to 5 occupants are part of the interior. The electric platform does an efficient job of freeing up space that grows passenger comfort and significantly increases the cargo carrying capacity. Practicality and new technology have been enshrined in the package offered by the A10, hailed as a premium long-range SUV. The A10 will most likely use only one electric motor. That motor returns performance and range competitive with other EVs. It's also expected to meet urban and suburban driving needs on par with market expectations for compact electric crossovers. The A10 and the future A05 Super Mini will make their way into Europe in 2026. The A10 will be added to what is turning out to be a pretty extensive portfolio so far that has comprised the T03, B05, B10, and C10. In China, Leapmotor sells the B01 and C01 sedans, besides the C11, C16, and D19 SUVs, amongst others. The reach of the lineup indicates customer choice across markets. Leapmotor has been building up a strong market position. In its home market, the A10 will have direct competition from the BYD Yuan Up, also called the Atto 2. Pricing for the BYD Yuan Up has been pegged between Yuan 96,800 and Yuan 119,800. A long list of European electric crossovers includes the Citroën EC3 Aircross, Opel Frontera Electric, Renault 4 E-Tech, Kia EV3, Peugeot E2008, Fiat 600e, Jeep Avenger, Alfa Romeo Jr., Ford Puma Gen E, and the VW ID Cross with the Skoda Epic due soon. Looking at the competitive set, Leapmotor certainly does have its work cut out to establish the A10 as a serious competitor. For Leapmotor, it is imperative that the A10 performs on both performance and value fronts. Market conditions are not exactly ripe to gain prominence. Leapmotor illustrates a growth trajectory. From January to September 2025, vehicle deliveries stood at 395,516 units globally. This is a 129% increase over the same period last year. The cumulative sales pushed through 1 million vehicles, reflecting market penetration. In October 2025, the sales reached 70,289 units. This was the sixth month in a row of record performance. Leapmotor is now positioned as a growing player in the electric vehicle market. With its design, advanced technology, and efficient electric performance, the A10 will be drawing attention in the SUV segment. It also reflects market trends in the EV industry, which favor compactness, versatility, and high-tech. The needs associated with urban mobility are being taken care of by the vehicle. The complete demonstration of the A10 will be provided at its world premiere at the Guangzhou Auto Show. Leapmotor's growth strategy is being translated into consumer readiness through the A10. The model is ready for buyers. Design, technology, and expected range all show that aesthetics and energy efficiency are emphasized by the A10. Along with adding the A10, the addition of the A05 expands the model lineup. This speaks to competitiveness both in the domestic and international market. Leapmotor is navigating a time of rapid evolution in the electric vehicle landscape. This means the A10 is likely to shape public perception regarding Leapmotor's capabilities. The launch serves to reinforce the position of the company within the EV industry. Leapmotor's actions are a reflection of its continued growth. Design concepts and a focus on high-quality vehicles place the company in a good position for sales of small SUVs. The A10, with its appealing design, driver assistance, efficient space utilization, and competitive drive range, reflects the strategy quite aptly. The A10 is a critical move to extend Leapmotor's reach and resonance with environmentally conscious, tech-savvy consumers in an established and emerging player-heavy market.